What's up, y'all? Today we got a AC not cooling in our gym common area. Sounds like the refrigerant's coming in, but the motor's not running. All right, here's our blower motor. Let's see what's going on. It is not spinning freely. We have no air codes. Let's kill the power. Motor is extremely hot to the touch. Let's pull this out, see what we're working with. Get this out of the way. 15 UF cap. Let's check that real quick. Even though the cap's not really hot. Gonna switch our meter to MFD. Remove these. If you want to, you can discharge it. Capacitor is a little weak, but it's definitely within range to make this motor run. Remove this thermal switch real quick and slide that out of the way. Disconnect our motor wires. Got a line down there. All right, our motor's disconnected. Slides out. Gonna have to order this motor, so this is a to be continued one. Removing the old motor brackets with an 11 millimeter socket. Flip it over. Undo the shaft locking nut. I usually back it off, but don't pull it all the way out. Sometimes these come out easy, sometimes they don't. I usually set my foot right here and just kind of shake it. This one came out very easy. Undoing the motor bracket. We're gonna use this for the new motor. Grab your new motor. New start cap. And then from here, we just put it all back together. Now, when you put this bracket on, you line these up with the screws. You got 4 screws. And then this top is going to sit right below that. And when you put this bracket on, make sure you cover the label up. So if you ever need to see the label, you got to take the bracket off to do it. Best way to position the squirrel cage is from this angle before you tighten down on the shaft, and just try and get it as even as possible. Got it nice and even. You want the flat part to go where your locking nut is. You can usually move this pretty freely. Get that shaft bolt nice and tight. Give her a spin, and let's go throw this bad boy in. Got everything hooked up. Let's go fire this bad boy up.